Hey everyone, so we were able to get the 390 installed. We were able to fix the axle and we hit ACO last night. We raced 6 times, which was nice. We got a lot of passes in, but we did run into some issues. The issues that we were getting is the ABS sensor coming on. We were getting check engine lights coming on. The whole dash lit up like a Christmas tree. But the problem being is the wheel speed sensors and the trans not comprehending the mile an hour for that gear. So we were getting a lot of bog on the 2-3 shift. We were getting a lot of bog on the 3-4 shift. So I'm going to show you the 3 passes that were actually good. We still had a lot of bog on those passes. What we're going to do from here is, I was talking with Nick, Incredible Hemi. We are going to have to get the car tuned. We're going to have to get the trans tuned because the car going into fail-safe mode and bogging on the track is just something that, I'm not going to live with, and it's not good for the car. So all issues put aside, we'll get to the videos of the 3 runs and we'll show you guys the difference between the 309 gear and the 390 gear, because one thing we did get last night is we got the wheels off the ground, which is friggin' awesome. We cut over a half of a tenth better in the 60 foot. So I think that this car will really be dialed in on the 390. Like I said, if we just do it right and we get the trans tuned and the car's not bogging, this car is 100% in good air going 1150s. Full weight with the Harman Kardon in the back, which I think is really good for this car. It weighs 4,400 pounds. It is by no means light. Definitely spinning, and something's going on with the ABS, because it seemed like it left okay. I definitely had a little tire chatter, but we got a little bit better of a 60 foot, so we'll see what it comes out to. I don't know what I'm going to do about this check engine light though. We'll see. We'll see if we can make another pass. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. So that was a good one. We ran 1168 and we're spinning. Gonna try and drop the tire pressure down maybe 2 or 3 psi, like about to 17, 16, and see what we could get out of it. But overall, pretty good. Still shooting for that 11.5 though. We'll see what happens. just for reference point, here's the 3 viable passes from last night. Again, like I said, we did take 6, but the car was bogging so bad on some of them. A couple of them are 12s. It's just not really even worth it to put them in. So these were the only runs that we didn't feel too much bogged down, but it's definitely there. And once we get the car tuned and we get the trans stuff figured out with the gear, we will be back at the strip chasing that 11.5. That's pretty much it for now, so we'll see you in the next video.